Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, this Lafayette radio AFS-805 MK2 is to repair. Very bad condition. And where's the bezel here? I don't know. Yes, here, power amplifier. Very good radio. But it's to repair here. Yes, the radio here is in a not so good condition. The PA is bent here. I think who is to remade. Yes, and this way the same thing here. The PA is bent here. Yes, and is to remade here the bezel. Yes, and here the front panel and the knobs and the covers are to repaint. It's very interested. Yeah, the front panel here is ready to repaint. Yeah. Yes, and now the front panel and the knobs here are repainted. And now repaint the covers. Yes, okay, and here the covers are repainted here. Very good, very nice. I'm very happy. Yes, this is my favorite Lafayette. It's in a very, very good condition, like new here. And now I will make a copy here of this bezel to remake the other radio here. Now I make here a copy of the front here. Yes, this here is the result here. Yes, okay, the new bezel here. Very good, huh? Yes, now I think the bezel is yes, it's good here. It's enough for the radio.